This video, I'm kind of in a quandary on what to call it. Should I call it old rusty iron and junk? Or should I call it, look what I found in the treasure state? Montana is truly the treasure state, and look at these old treasures. We'll drop down in and we'll take a look at some of this iron as we do a flyby. You'll see he's got cars and trucks stacked up in fairly reasonable order. A lot of them are lined up and on display alongside the highway. There's no charge. There was no one around. This is a rock quarry and place where for ornamental rock they ship it all over the country. Look at what's on that old Ford with the trailer with the flatbed. Look at the old yellow Ford pickup and the Edsel. Tractor stuck in there. I can't identify the old green beast. Look at the fire truck. Studebaker, Chevrolet, probably a Hudson, a couple Buicks, and a newer Buick even stuck in there. Kind of little out of place. The old wagons. Look at the old, what used to be Black Caddy. Look at the old fire truck. Who can tell me what year that is? I see a blue Studebaker down the line. It looks like maybe an international pickup behind it. And that white car, I'm guessing, is probably an old Plymouth Valiant. 61, 62, who knows? You know, back then cars had personalities. You could see them coming. Another Studebaker sitting there pointing its nose out at us. Several other trophies. An old Nash. Oh man, look at that old truck with the wooden frame. Look at what's stacked up on that other. Look at those cabs. Just look at the character those old trucks had. Wouldn't it be fun to make a car hauler out of one of those? We'll take another look as we fly by. A little bit lower. Look at the Volkswagen pickup. I mean, you don't see those every day. Taking a closer look at some of this iron. Just look at it. Who wants to build a hot rod? Yeah, some of you take that old caddy and make a lowrider out of it. Some of you take the fire truck and load all your pals up, put some benches in the back, run down Main Street. Yeah, we used to drag the gut. That's what we called it, was dragging the gut. And we could spend all night doing that and not get in too much trouble. Now they've outlawed it most everywhere. But look at even an old bus down there. Look at all the different trucks. What a collection this guy has. And you know what? In the background, there's some newer cars and trucks. But even an old Jeep Wagoneer. Oh, man. Looks like we got us an old heavy hauler with a fifth wheel. There's a couple more logging trucks. The bunks have been stripped off them. Look how they're lined up and stacked up there. He takes these benches up on the rock and he places rigs along there. Somebody has put a lot of work into this. I mean, he's got to be a gearhead. There's no question in my mind. And I would say he's got a pretty good sized crew helping him do it. Because look at all them old beauties. How many do you like to get down there and root around in there? And you know, this is God's country. You can root around in those old trucks and cars and you won't find any rattlesnakes or anything. Not in this part of the world. It's just fascinating. I came back for a pass after pass just to look it over. You can see the lay of the land. Think about how much rock has been taken out of that mountain over the years. Looking down on all the old, what used to be flatbeds. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for taking a look. Everything was filmed with the DJI Inspire 2 with Olympus lenses on it. Thank you very much. Visit Bruce Photo and take a look at my YouTube channel here at Mike.Brewington. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.